What's up, guys? You know, this enhanced community quarantine thing is keeping everybody in. Having a hard time going out there and doing some filming and videoing. But you know what? I've been looking through some of my older videos, and I got over 900 videos out there. You know, there's some videos I'm sure that people have not seen. I mean, we picked up subscribers over the years and years of doing this. But you know, I figured, you know what? Let's do some oldies but goodies. You know, some of the older videos that I really enjoyed doing, you know, for back in 2017, 2016, I figured I would do something like that and just re-upload them so you can check out some of the videos. I know people have subscribed, a year or two ago, and maybe they didn't go back and check out these videos. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start re-uploading some of these videos to share. And those that have seen it, I guess you'll have a flashback too. But anyways, the first video was a video that we did of the balloon festival here. This was 2017, kind of like, I don't know, maybe a few months or so after we got here. This video, this was the video GMA contacted me and wanted to know if they could use a part of it for their show, and we gave them permission for it. So anyways, you guys are going to check out some oldies but goodies. When I do have a chance to get out there, if I got to go to a store or something like that, I'll grab the camera and go. But check out some oldies but goodies. Let me know what you think. Give me some thumbs up or thumbs down. Say, hey, we like these oldies but goodies, or nah, we've seen them before, forget it. Anyways, enjoy.
Starting to take shape, it's already rising up into the sky. You can see the entire process of how it goes up. If you've got your
Morning, guys.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear skies.
All right, guys, as you can see, we're back now at the 21st Philippine International Balloon Festival. We're back. It's afternoon right now, or evening, getting ready for the sun to go down. As you've seen in the video, we were here early, first thing this morning. Woke up at 3 o'clock, picked Sez and Lynn up from, or Seth and Lynn from Sez Style, and came very early. We were into gates here by 4 a.m. Had basically a front row seat, watched the sunrise, and I'm going to get hit by a car here. Watch the sunrise, watch them inflate the balloons, and watch
watch them take off. But yeah, we checked it out this morning, as you guys can see on the film, in the video, and we left probably around 9 this morning. It seems like a lot of people left to avoid the heat for the day. So now we're back, and we're going to check out the evening festivities here. But yeah, it's something to see. I'd say there was probably close to 20 plus balloons this morning that took off. Some didn't actually make it up, but they did inflate, and it was cool to see. So we're back, and that's what's going on, guys. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. We're gonna call it a night. We're gonna head home. We had a great time today at the 21st Philippine International Balloon Festival here in Clark. What a great time. That's about it. Bye bye guys.
Good evening everyone, and let's see what we can do. We have a couple more minutes before the sun shuts down on us.